If you've never tasted authentic Volta style Akple with Ayoyo soup, you are in for a treat. Today, we are bringing tradition, flavor and culture straight to your screen. Stay tuned as Cook with Regina shows you every step of this delicious Ghanaian classic. Let's begin. Our ingredients are onions, ayoyo or ademe leaves, habanero pepper, garlic and ginger, okra, shrimp seasoning, salt, powdered pepper, natural spices, cow stripe, kobe or salted fish, amane or smoked fish, salted fish, cow foot and maize flour. First, we set our fire. We pour water over the salted fish and kobe to soak. Next, we place a pot on the fire and pour in some water. We wash and slice the okra and habanero pepper. Then wash them into a pot. We wash the ayoyo leaves thoroughly and add them to the pot as well. In another bowl, we wash the cow foot and cow stripe and set them aside. Check on the ayoyo and stir it gently as it cooks. Now, we wash some onions, ginger and garlic. We place them in a blender together with some natural spices, add a little water and blend until smooth. Once the ayoyo is well cooked, we take it off the fire. We place the cow foot and tripe on the fire. Add sliced onions, sprinkle in some powdered pepper, add salt, pour in the blended mixture. Add shrimp seasoning. Stir everything together and cover to cook. While that is cooking, we clean the amane. We then check on the meat and add the amane, salted fish and kobe. Next, we transfer the cooked ayoyo, okra and habanero pepper into a blender and blend until smooth. We stir the meat and pour the blended ayoyo mixture into the pot, giving the soup its beautiful green slimy texture. As the soup cooks beautifully, we move on to preparing the akple. We place another pot on the fire, pour in water, add a little salt and allow it to boil. In a bowl, we mix maize flour with cold water until smooth. When the water boils, we scoop out a little and set it aside. We then pour the maize flour mixture into the boiling water and stir gently. Next, we scoop out some of the mixture into a bowl, add more maize flour and stir continuously. We pour back the reserved mixture and continue stirring until everything becomes smooth and well combined. A little water is added, stirred and covered to cook for a few more minutes. After cooking, We remove the lid and stir thoroughly. Our smooth hot akple is ready. We serve it beautifully in a clean earthenware bowl alongside with our delicious slimy ayoyo soup. This is where culture meets tradition. We gather around the table and enjoy this authentic Ghanaian delicacy together. Thank you for always being part of our journey. Your love, support and kindness mean so much to us. And just like that, our delicious Volta style Akple with Ayoyo soup is ready. We hope you enjoyed cooking with us and learning a little more about this beautiful Ghanaian tradition. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let us know where you are watching from. We would also love to hear if you've ever tried Akple with Ayoyo soup before. Don't forget to subscribe to Cook with Regina and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss any of our delicious recipes and food adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to Cook with Regina and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our delicious recipes and food adventures. Thank you so much for your love and support. Until next time, stay blessed, keep cooking and keep sharing good food with the people you love. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye.